The reason why water is the common solvent is because it has a valuable property that allows it to dissolve other like substances. And these properties all come from hydrogen bonding. So that's what it's so unique about water. And we also have to note that water is a polar molecule. And a polar molecule means that within this molecule, there are differences in the like charge. So we first have to then define what electronegativity is. And electronegativity is simply the like how much an element wants or is attracted to an electron. And because oxygen has a far greater electronegativity charge than these two hydrogen atoms, we can say safely that oxygen is more negative because electrons are negative, is more negative than the two hydrogen atoms. This means that the overall molecule is very polar. The side on the side of the hydrogen atoms is positive, or we say partially positive, and the side on the oxygen is partially negative. So that's the definition of like a polar molecule. And also, you do have to note that there's a phrase called like dissolves like. So this means that polar molecules will dissolve with other polar molecules. This is why water cannot really dissolve oil, because oil is nonpolar. It has lipids and they're all nonpolar. So because water is polar and lipids are nonpolar, they cannot dissolve. So this is like a diagram of things dissolving, right? These things are being taken away, and each oh, so we see over here, there's a big anion, which is like a negative ion, and is attached to like a bunch of partially positive hydrogen atoms, because opposite charges attract each other. And we see the positive ion over here is attached to the negative sides of the water molecule, so like the oxygen area.